Welcome to Ladysmith, where the embrace of small town charm meets the allure of seaside living. Situated just 88 kilometers north of Victoria and 23 kilometers south of Nanaimo, this coastal gem welcomes you with warmth and a vibrant community spirit. Venture eastward from Ladysmith and you'll find yourself in a tranquil countryside of Yellow Point. Nestled along the east coast of Vancouver Island, Yellow Point offers a retreat from the hustle of city life. With its rustic landscape and idyllic shorelines adorned with distinctive sandstone formations, here you'll discover your haven, where time seems to slow down. It is in this picturesque setting that I'm excited to introduce you to 3145 Yellow Point. Situated on 5 beautiful acres of forested bliss, this unique property brims with natural beauty and offers you the finest of country living. This natural west coast oasis has mature trees, a natural pond, and a gently flowing creek that goes through the serene forest. At the heart of this estate is the main residence, a charming Norse-built log home. This beautifully handcrafted home showcases open concept living with 2 bedrooms, large windows for breathtaking forest views, and an impressive stone fireplace. This home is updated with a new floor, roof, skylights, and an efficient wood burning insert. It also has a radiant in-floor heat, as well as a split AC system to keep you cool in summer. Across the drive, overlooking a serene pond, is a 2-bedroom cottage, with decks offering panoramic views of the pond and forest. This is a perfect retreat for guests, or it could be a revenue-generating rental. Additional outbuildings offer storage solutions or potential for small businesses. While horse and small animal enthusiasts would delight in the small animal barn, the paddocks, and the 4-stall barn with hay storage. With its proximity to the ocean and nearby parks, this property is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether it's kayaking, hiking, or bird watching, nature is right there at your doorstep. Located just down the road from the historic Crow and Gate Old English pub, this property offers a perfect blend of tranquility and accessibility. It's a place where memories are made, a true sanctuary amidst nature's embrace. Welcome to 3145 Yellow Point, where every moment is a testament of the beauty of coastal living.